In this gloomy weather where maximum part of India are having heavy rain, so this is an ideal season to have this Indian chicken stew, which is extremely delicious, rustic, healthy and nourishing stew which comes under 20 minutes. It had lot of spices and ginger, cloves, black pepper and perfect for cold and cough or everyday chicken dish. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today a healthy version of chicken stew. And the ingredients are salt, cumin powder, bay leaves, coriander powder. With that, some whole spices, cinnamon, black pepper, clove, and our lovely chicken cut it into medium pieces, and few vegetables in that: papaya, carrot, onion, coriander chop, green chili and ginger chop, though you can use any type of vegetable of your choice. Now moving on to the cooking part. First, take a grinder, add 4 to 5 cloves, 8 to 10 black pepper, 2 small cinnamon stick and grind it. If you don't have this mortar and pestle, you can use a regular mixer grinder to make a powder. And once you are done, keep it on a side for the later part of the recipe. Now let's begin this easy peasy chicken stew recipe which will heal your body and energize it quickly. First, take a mixer grinder into it, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil, and once the oil heat up, add 2 bay leaves. Next, add all the vegetables one at a time. First, add 1 large onion cut into cubes, then add 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 small papaya cut into long strips, then add 1 tablespoon of ginger chop, 2 to 3 green chilies, though these chilies are optional. If you don't want, you just ignore it. Then fry it for 1 to 2 minutes in a high flame. Now it's time to add the chicken, as our vegetables are well done. Over here, I have used 500 grams of chicken cut into medium sizes. Wash it properly before adding it to the pressure cooker. After that, stir once more and then add some basic spices. First of all, add a teaspoon of coriander seed powder. Then add salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. Now add half teaspoon of the masala which you have made at the beginning of the recipe. Then add handful of coriander leaf chopped and 1.5 cup of water. Again stir well and then cover and wait for 2 to 3 whistles or until the chicken is almost falling off from the bone and liquid is slightly thickened. This chicken stew is such a healthy recipe that you can always incorporate or discard anything of your choice and make your own one pot meal. And after that, wait for the pressure to release naturally. Then open the lid of the cooker. Serve this delicious and nutritious chicken stew with vegetables in a big soup bowl. Garnish it with 1 teaspoon of butter, black pepper powder and fresh coriander leaves and serve right away. Though you can enjoy this with 1 garlic bread, or alternately you can stew over some warm basmati rice. So if you think today's recipe is really great and yummy, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon, so that when I upload my new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. See you again. Bye-bye.